I am Abi, and I suggest using me for videos that need an authentic Indian male voice to connect with that audience.
I am David, and I recommend using a middle-aged male voice for professional or serious topics.
I am Larissa, and I suggest using me for storytelling or videos where a unique voice adds character and interest.
I am Cooper, and I suggest using me for dramatic or emotional videos that need a strong impact.
I am Benjamin, and I recommend a deep male voice for news or formal announcements.
I'm William, and I advise using a steady male voice for storytelling and tutorials.
I am Blake, and I suggest using an energetic male voice for fast-paced videos.
I am Amelia, and I recommend a calm female voice for relaxing or educational content.
I am Wyatt, and I advise using an older male voice to add trust and authority.
I am Martin, and I suggest using me for bold and confident messages that need a strong, powerful voice.
I am Alison, and I suggest using me for warm and wise narration with a British accent that adds experience and trust to your videos.
I am Amara, and I advise using a warm female voice for welcoming and friendly videos.
I am Carla, and I suggest a clear female voice for calls to action and sales videos.
I am Stefan, and I recommend a serious male voice for factual or news content.
I am Colin, and I advise using a casual male voice for social media and personal videos.
I am Sandra, and I suggest using me for clear and strong messages that need to grab attention quickly.
I am Elena, and I suggest using me for gentle and calm videos where an Indian accent adds a unique touch.
I am Jessica, and I suggest an energetic female voice for quick ads and promotions.
I am Sophie, and I recommend a clear female voice for moderate speed narration.
I am Logan, and I advise using a confident male voice for professional presentations.
I am Jade, and I suggest a slow female voice for clear explanations and tutorials.
I am Matt, and I recommend a strong male voice for engaging stories.
I am Lydia, and I advise using a friendly female voice for approachable content.
I am Leo, and I suggest using me for energetic and upbeat content that needs a lively and dynamic voice.
I am Maya, and I recommend a persuasive female voice for marketing videos.
I am Sarah, and I suggest using me for clear and informative videos where you need to explain things in a simple and direct way.
I am Mel, and I suggest a gentle female voice for soft and approachable messages.
Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.